Hello, friends. So, today we are going to tune into the energy of completion. These are like cycles in our life. Many of them are karmic cycles, some of them are emotional cycles. Like, there's a goal you've been pursuing for a long time, and at some point, you realize, that I'm done, this is finished, and inner victory has happened, and or sometimes there's a destructive cycle that we've been a part of, like there's a repeated pattern in our life, and you feel at some point that okay, this is finished. Genuinely from your heart you feel it's finished, and then it doesn't bother you again. And then there are some cycles such as this which are time based. So we set intentions and a lot of subconscious decisions happen. So for these 40 days, we are able to wake up at 5:30 in the morning. We are able to do things in a particular way, and this adds a kind of a strength, a kind of a like character building to us. But we should recognize that now this is done and a new cycle has to begin. The new cycle will have its own energy, and we'll honor whatever that energy is. So let's mark completion today. Okay, so just close your eyes, relax yourself, take a deep breath, settle down. And you can also mute yourself if people are talking around you. Just connect with your breath, center yourself. And I'd like you to really honor the completion that has happened. Look at what has been finished. 40 days have finished. Maybe some steps were complete. Maybe some progress was made. You accept your progress. Say, oh, okay, this is what I could do in 40 days. I am so proud of myself. The mind will have a tendency to say, oh, but there's so much left. Oh, there's so much more. Oh, this is not done, that is not done. But you have to complete a cycle in order to get feedback and in order to make the next cycle better. Life is cyclic in nature, it is not linear the way we feel. So you complete one circle and then you start another circle and make it a little better. So, the way the solar system is functioning in the universe, we only think sometimes that planets rotate around the sun, but actually, the sun is also moving with the galaxy, and this is a helix motion. So, by the time the earth completes a round around the sun, this whole solar system has also moved thousands of miles inside the galaxy, and the galaxy has also moved. So, one round has completed. You've made progress and you've made some improvement in your process, and now you say, this is done. I'm very happy with what I could achieve in 40 days. I'll take a break now and I will start a new cycle. Whatever works for you, 1 week cycle, 2 week cycle, 3 week, another 40, whatever works for you. Wisdom is knowing when to stop. So today you're going to stop. Whatever has been done, this is the reset point. tomorrow something new. Even if it's the same thing, a new cycle. And you can give your best today. Let's say you're very close to completing a goal, try to put in the extra effort because there's a lot of momentum behind you. If it is not in your control, give lot of gratitude for the progress you've made. Build up the energy. The energy is a permanent part of you, whatever effort you've made. Just see yourself completing whatever you can complete today. Go ahead, visualize this. Visualizing first the progress that you've made, either in action or in gratitude and celebration or in clarity. Completing what you can complete today. If you wish, you can visualize the 40 days again, starting from the beginning. And make note of anything you want to complete today. Knowing that today is so precious, every day is precious, and today is precious. It's only when we complete, when we honor that what needs to be done today, that sense of respect for time comes into us. Finishing strong. If you finish this cycle cleanly, the next cycle can be started cleanly. If you carry things over, then you've already borrowed from your future. Sometimes it's difficult to let go of assignments we've not completed, but this was the time to finish it. So we finish it now or we reassess and we can start anew. We can even start from where we were, but you must not extend this period. Giving lot of respect to the time. Once again, you can begin visualizing from the beginning of 40 days. What do you need to get your closure? What do you need to do to feel that I did what I could? As you accept completion, you will find that your heart has become peaceful. Tuning into this energy of completion in your body. One successful cycle, even if it was 10% or 15% or 90% or 100% successful, one successful cycle is done, and the next one will be better. Honoring the energy of completion. If there is something that hindered your progress, honor that also, and in the next cycle, try to reduce the effect of it. Completion. This is done. Today is the closing. Life will refresh itself like seasons refresh themselves. Everything in nature refreshes itself in its own cycle. Today is the day we finish and refresh. Deeply, deeply accepting the finality of this moment, giving lot of gratitude. For whatever you achieved, whatever qualities you developed, whatever friendships you made. In the finality of this moment, give all you can and finish strong. Thank you. You can open your eyes.